Just out here watching some lightning. Check this out.
Figured if all the Mustangs you rent.
600 horsepower in this thing. So I'm going to take my dad for Father's Day drive. He's never been in this car and it's straight piped. We'll see his reaction. See?
Oh, wait, you're going to... Okay, hi.
I don't think you won't be able to get out now, huh? Dad?
Maybe.
Driving along in the neighborhood that I grew up in. I used to have a flyer out here and I used to throw the flyers in the dumpster. Okay, Dad. Hold it like this. Hold it in front of you like this. So, so the camera can get you.
Okay.
Ready?
But you can't go fast here.
I won't go fast. I'm only going 50. Everyone, say hello to Minaj.
Give me a sec. I'm gonna go pose for him. Pretend, and then you can do the whole which is hottest.
I'm taking a video. I'm taking a video.
There you go.
I'm in it. You're in it.
Yeah, work it. Work it.
Like that.
Some of the crazy things that we see in horsepower for Ulf here. Just absolutely nuts. No shame, no shame. Look how many sweet cars we got here. Look at this Mini. It's like mint. I think that's a GT500 back here, guys. Check this thing out. GT500 Mustang. Let's see the engine behind this. Ooh! Ooh! Look at that thing, it just pops.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, look at the seats on this thing, the Alcantara. Oh, look at the carbon fiber on the doors. Shiny.
Yeah, shiny. Yeah, I keep thinking of that song that the kids watch about that octopus is under the water. Shiny.
Yeah. I like these. These are sweet.
Yeah, boy, it sure sounded good driving.
Oh, I bet these things sound unbelievable.
She's just from a small little town.
Okay, so the cool thing about this car, it's one of 250, and this is the #1 car of the 250. The coolest thing about it is it comes with a helmet when you buy it, and it's like a special edition racing version of this Jaguar F-Type. Jaguar F-Type, I can edit that out. And it is a beast. So check this out. This thing right here is a normal F-Type. And this thing is still fucking crazy, but then this car, nuts. Comes with a lot of extra goodies, and everything you see here is actually bone stock the way it came from factory. So apparently a Lamborghini SV just popped up, another one of my dream cars. Absolute beast. I gotta get this on film. This thing is nuts. Okay, so this is a Lamborghini Aventador SV. So SV stands for Super Veloce. It's like the racing hopped up version of a Lamborghini. So it comes with carbon ceramic brakes, and the cool thing about it is it actually comes with these really cool carbon fiber vents. The normal Lamborghini, these vents actually go up and down, but they're hard in place to suck in more air. And check out the carbon fiber on this. Just absolutely nuts. Oh, look at the size of that exhaust. That thing swallows children. That is so sweet. The rotors are bigger than the rims on my car. They're 19-inch rotors, and look at the size of the caliper. That thing is just beastly times 1,000. Damn, who do we have here? Behold, a Chelsea. Damn, look at this Datsun. This thing has an RB26 in it. Absolute beast. Alright. Oh, an RB26 is the engine out of a Skyline GTR, and this thing probably just rips. Hey,
Best to keep that car classy.
get the stickers. Get the stickers put on. Cannot wait for this. So pumped for this. Getting the stickers put on. Let's do this. Let's go.
They donated to
So right when the last announcement
Look at this giant ice cream. This is one scoop. How? How is this one scoop? I can't eat this fast enough. I'm trying my hardest, and I can't keep up. It tastes so good. Ah! I'm at the Horsepower for Hope event, and I run into my doppelganger. What are the odds of this? We're even wearing the same cult clothes, pretty much. Like, what are the odds? That's hilarious. You want to get in the driver's seat first? Get in the seat. Yeah, buddy. Take it for a spin. All right, buddy. I'm giving you the key. So push the brake.
This is the brake, right?
Just push the brake, yeah.
Over here.
Start her up, buddy. Whoa. Okay, so it's in neutral, so you can rev it up if you want. All right, buddy. All right, we got to take this guy for a rip. I think we got to go. This is his dream car, guys. So we're gonna take him for a rip. We're not gonna get too silly, or should we? Should we get too silly? What do you think, buddy?
Yeah.
I think we should get silly. All right. Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. Nothing would make me happier than growing this channel, and by growing this channel I get to have more content for you guys and bringing more positivity. When I bought my car, I actually was questioning if I should spend this much money on an object, but let me tell you, this is probably the best money I've ever spent on anything. And seeing the smile on the kids' faces when they get to see their supercar, it's something really special. So please hit that like and subscribe button. Let's grow this channel. Cheers.